today's video I am going to reveal that how can you earn online during this lockdown in 2020. So I will go from hard, means you have to work very hard, and then from higher level to lower level. There are actually three types how you can earn online. First, you can be a freelancer. Second, you can be an advisor online for some company. Third, you can sell your product, software or anything. These are the three types of things from which you can earn online. First, I want to give you a disclaimer that don't believe in such apps. There are many apps which can promote earning online. I will not name any of them, but there are some. When the graph will go up, you will gain money. When the graph will go down, you will lose money. These are the types of things from which you can earn, but I would personally recommend don't use those apps. They're simply bluff. So first I would start with that freelancer. There are top 3 websites where you can become freelancer. First is Upwork.com, www.upwork.com. Second is www.fiverr.com. Third is the Joomla community, which is personally approved by Google. You can become a freelancer. On what subject or skill you are fully expertised, on that you can give services to the people. You can solve their problems anytime. These apps are the top trending apps from many years. Since I have seen from 2012-13, I have seen these are the top trending apps. Previously I did not know the usage of these apps, but now I researched and saw that what are these apps and functionality, how you can earn. And you have to create a PayPal account, seriously, because in all these websites PayPal account is must, or you can also attach a bank account with that. So suppose you have an expertise on web designing. So you create your profile as a web designer. You have to create a strong profile, otherwise clients won't approach you directly. So you have to submit a proposal for a particular work. Then if they like your description, cover work and any other template works which you have done previously, or you can simply refuse that it is my first work and your project is my first project. You can say with no issues. They also accept some, but you have to show your profile that you have expertise on a particular field. Second, if you have expertise or if you don't have any expertise or you don't have any skills, one thing is there from which you can easily earn money, that is copy and paste work. You have to copy from one website, you have to paste in another website. You have to copy one data, paste in another data, copy one program, paste in another website's program. Copy and paste will also give you some earnings, and it is always told that it is better to have something than nothing. Basically, Upwork deals in dollars and other currencies also. Fiverr also deals in dollars. Joomla also dollars and other currencies. Joomla is personally approved by Google. There is one advantage of Joomla, that on your first registration you will get $300 directly. If you give your debit card number, they will automatically transfer $300 to your account directly without an issue. Then you have to work from them, and then Joomla community is over. Next, I come to all the product, or you can say marketing. You can create a product of yourself, or you can get it from the market, sell at higher price. This is business. You can get it from any of the wholesale markets. You can upload that picture on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook or any other social media handles. You have to promote that product continuously, and so that the product reaches maximum number of people. If you have if 1000 people have seen, definitely one or two will be definitely there, those who require that product or those who like to buy that product. So from that you can also earn online by promoting your products on different social media handles. Then you can set up your company and give services to the people, but that requires a lot of investment. But what ideas I am giving now in this video requires zero investment. Next, I would come to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, you must have known, means you give clients to the company and the company pays you some percentage of commission. You can create affiliate in Amazon, but Amazon does not pay much. It pays generally 3% or 4%. But I have created a list of 4 to 5 companies which can be very much beneficial for you to earn tons of money. So the first is www.skyscanner.com. Suppose any of your friend, family member or relative, anyone is visiting any of the international country and they ask you about which flight to take, which car to pick as a rent, and which hotel to stay in. You can create an affiliate account in www.skyscanner.com, create links for them, send those links to your relative, family members, friends, any of them. They will click that link, they will book from them. Suppose they book an amount of rupees 1 lakh, so you can get a commission of 5% or 10% of 1 lakh. So this is how this website works. The next one is www.kayak.com. All the travel agencies, hotels, cabs and other trips. Suppose if you want to visit Niagara Falls, the basic amount is $50 for that ticket. In kayak.com also you will get $50, but that will be pre-booked. You can create that link, give it to any person who wants that. They will click that link, buy the ticket from there, and you will get the money within 30 days. People generally, company gives within 30 to 40 days, they clear all the payments of yours. The third one is especially for hotels, and it pays the best. For starting people also, it pays up to 25 to 35% of the total amount. That is www.booking.com. It is best for hotels. You create link, give to people, they will book, you will get the percentage. That's pretty much. So I would like to say that share this video as much as you can, because you can also earn, as well as your friends, family members, relatives, anyone can earn by just recommending such things to their family members, persons, etc. So the next one is www.agoda.com. Agoda.com also plays a very important role in all kinds of bookings like the car rental, hotels, cabs, which places to visit, their tickets, etc. And the next one is www.expedia.com, which is best for hotels and car rentals. If any one of your friend, relative, family members is a car freak and wants to rent a car in abroad country and move all around, then you can create link for them, give it to them, they will book and you will get the percentage. As simple as that. It's pretty much neat. Then the last one is very much common and everyone knows about it, and it is also very much famous. That is the www.tripadvisor.com. TripAdvisor is basically like Big Basket. In a Big Basket, what you get? All vegetables, fruits. TripAdvisor is just like that. You will get everything: hotels, car rentals, booking, traveling, tickets, and what places to travel, how much it will cost. It will give you all details. but the percentage is not that much high as booking.com. The percentage is quite not so low, 5 to 7% percentage of what your friend, family members, anyone clicks the link and books. But I would recommend to use more booking.com, skyscanner.com, because these are the best websites where you can scroll down, create links easily, give it to the person who wants it and get the commission. You should think that whoever you are sending the links to, they are your clients. You just look at them as clients, ATMs and dollars, nothing much more than that. Then the last step is that share this video as much as you can, smash the subscribe button, comment down below if you want more videos on this, and hit the like button. Thank you for watching this video.